YouTube, what's going on? Alright, so today we are going to design this. Now this looks almost like my glad hand seal that I made for a truck, but this is actually made for a CK containerized kitchen. Now what it actually goes to, I'm not sure, but the customer requested this, and also the customer is a buddy. Alright, so let's get to it. Once you have SOLIDWORKS fired up, go ahead and choose your plane. Today we're going to be using the top plane. Click sketch. I'm going to start with a circle. Green check mark, and I'm going to smart dimension it. And it's going to be 2.73. And green check mark. Next, what you're going to want to do is click the features button, click extrude base boss, and we're going to go with 0.17 for the thickness and pan it around. Now I'm going to click it, right click and click sketch, and I'm going to click the circle and go on the origin and click away, green check mark. This will be the centerpiece of my seal. Now you're going to click smart dimension, and you're going to want to get a dimension of that, which is going to be 2.365 and green check mark. And we're going to click features, extrude base boss, and I'm going to have a thickness of 0.25, green check mark, and this is your centerpiece. Click it again, right click, click sketch, and you're going to draw another circle on the origin, and it'll be the exact same size as your very first circle. And then you just go to features, extrude base boss, 0.17 again, green check mark, and now you have your seal. Now if you can remember from the seal, it has a fillet, if you will. It curves. So with that being said, we are going to use the fillet option. Click the top and then click the other side of your circle, and we're going to green check mark it, and here you see it. And it's not bad looking, actually. So I'm just going to pan it around, show y'all. I'm going to click the surface again, right click sketch, click the circle option, click the origin, right click away, green check mark. Go ahead and click the smart dimension, get the smart dimension. And we are going to do this centerpiece at 1.268, green check mark, and click features, green check mark again, extruded cut. Now this is the centerpiece of your seal, and we're going to go through all and green check mark, and here you have it. Pan it around just to show y'all. Not bad for just 3 circle options. Well, 4 to be exact. Okay, let's give it some color. So go to appearance. I'm gonna go. You got plastic, metal. You got painted. So I'm gonna go with this black. Hover over it, and then it's hover over it, and then click the appearance, and then now you have your seal. And I must say this came to life really fast, and it looks great. My suggestion is always use dowel calipers when measuring out this. Don't use anything else. If you can get a set of digital dowel calipers, that'd be great as well, but you can use the analog if you wish. So I made this the aluminum finish, which almost looks like the raw finish. And here you see the other finishes. Let's go with the clear. It's a little transparent clear glass. Almost looks like a yo-yo, if you will. And we'll go with this red. Yeah, nice. Looks also like another yo-yo, or maybe a seal that'll go on the Expando vans. If y'all know what I'm talking about. It needs to be a little bit wider though. Make sure you save your work as well. So I'm going to name this CK rubber piece DSSP. So as you can see, I've already made one, but this is to show y'all from start to finish. Save it, and there you have it. So here's the original piece, drawn out already, as you can see here in the back screen. And this is the printed piece now, out of TPU. I wish I had some TPE to make it a little bit smoother, but as you can see, TPU, you know, does have a rougher finish. And let's do it in comparison. See, holes line up correctly, and we can see pan out. All right. This is the seal for the CK, so as you can see where it cracked, and this one, you know, just as rubbery. So this one is at a 30% infill, and this one is at a 10% infill. Customer stated they wanted 5, so I'm gonna go with a, because this has got a little bit more of a weight to it, I'm gonna go with a 50% infill, just get a little bit heavier. But other than that, I think it came out decent. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. All right, here's the piece and what it looks like. Now this is the existing one. This is the one printed, and TPU. As you can see, it literally slides on. And this is for a CK, containerized kitchen. I believe these rubber pieces are bushings. But yeah, those are dry rotted. These will last a good amount of time. Anyways, here you see it. They work. And I'm glad. Thanks for watching. And I'll catch y'all next time. All right, y'all.